Hard work.
How hard I've been digging in this.
Your mountain of dirt.
Forget the mountains up there. I have my own mountain. Been hand digging this because I can't get any machines in here. Gotta get on my hands and knees. Do an army crawl back in through here. I'm trying to get to the main sewer system. Here's my tools. That's what I'm trying to get to. I'm so close. Look how close I am. And then just enough room that I can turn around. And there's the exit. See all those planks of wood down there?
Blake is finally laying pipe. You excited?
Getting it done. Connected all that. I just need to get this clean out right here.
Okay. So. Goes all the way to that house. Hi. Don't want to fall in the trench. Take a video. Getting close. Oh, dear, careful. Good job, Jackson. Is it heavy? Careful. Are you able to do it? Yeah? Okay. Okay. Don't trip.
Well,
Hi.
I was just dry fitting it. It's done!
Yay! How does it feel?
Oh, feels great. Finally done.
Well, now you gotta bury the pipe.
Just gotta bury it now. Mountain dirt.
You gonna start? We're so close.
So close.
We just have this left. Does it feel unreal that you're almost done? Are you done?
Finally done. Hallelujah.
All done, no more holes.
I got all this extra because it was from underneath the house.
What are we gonna do with that?
That's a lot.
But no more holes.
Yay!
Yay, Daddy's done!
Yeah.